Naniniwala si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano na dapat hayaang magamit muna ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa ang lahat ng legal remedies sa Pilipinas upang dito siya maimbestigahan at hindi sa ibang bansa. Sinabi rin ng bagong Senate leader kung hanggang kailan mananatili sa Senado si de la Rosa.
Respect their opinion, but Senator Bato should be given the opportunity to exhaust all legal remedies. It should be a Philippine warrant. This is a good test case. In the future, you will thank Senator Bato for standing up for his right na dapat Philippine court. This is not a matter whether guilty siya o hindi. In fact, he can be investigated here for the extrajudicial killings. So this is a question of our constitution versus a foreign court. Until he has exhausted all legal measures and the Philippine courts tells him that he has to be arrested.
Nauna nang sinabi ni Senator Bato na handa niyang harapin ang mga reklamo laban sa kanya, ngunit ito ay dapat na nakabatay lamang anya sa jurisdiksyon ng Pilipinas.